I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are just doing a cute duck nail set. This set actually got lost. I lost my memory card, so now we're uploading it. It was supposed to be uploaded during the summer, but yeah, you're still gonna get it because it's great content. But what I'm doing is just filing the nail beds of my nails first before I apply any base coat, any nails, anything like that. I just want to make sure the previous set that I had on extra product was off of my nails before getting into this set. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. And please share this video to someone who might like it. I am formerly known as SHAENAILEDITT, but I am now your fairy nail godmother because that's me. You know? I you guys ask and you shall receive. Um whatever you guys want to see, you guys can send me specific sets and I will recreate them. Anywho, what I'm doing right now is base coating all of my nail beds, and I did just adhere the tips with base coat as well. You guys can use glue, but I prefer to use base coat all the way through. Base coat kind of helps me. Nail glue really makes my nail beds weak, so I don't use nail glue. I prefer to use base coat, so that's why I used base coat, and I went ahead and adhered my tips that way as well. You guys can do another way if you want to. Do what works for you. This is just what I do. And I also just add a good layer of base coat onto all of the nails. So my nail and the actual extra nail, the free edge, and cure that in a lamp for 60 seconds. Also, I did cure in between each coat. So I did a coat of base coat, cured that, and then I did the nail tip adhered, and then I cured that, obviously, and then I did a base coat on top of that. So 3 base coats basically. And now I'm just going in with the colors that I'm using. This set is a pink and orange set, pink, orange, and like a little dash of white. So I'm going in with these old polygels that I got a long time ago. I'm starting to try to use all of my polygel before buying new stuff because I am running out of space, but I always end up needing like a nude or a pink or clear, but I'm always having these colors left over and I don't want them to go to waste. Some of them already kind of messed up. They did not cure correctly. So I did have to go in and just go through all of my polygels. So I am just trying to get all of this out of, out of the way and used before buying more product. Some of this stuff I was spent with my money, and then some stuff did get sent to me by different little people on like Amazon. Some of this stuff was MAKARTT, and yeah. I just want to use everything. So I did just use 2 different colors from this MAKARTT kit that I got off of Amazon. I will link it down below. I do have a code with MAKARTT, but MAKARTT, we're not going to talk about MAKARTT because MAKARTT is I feel like they discriminate and they only deal with people that's my color that have a lot of followers and don't really help the smaller YouTubers or the smaller nail influencers. So I don't really too much promote their products like that, but if I do find their kit on my Amazon storefront, I mean on Amazon, I will put it on my Amazon storefront or link it down below. But I'm not sure cuz this came out a long time ago, like 2 years ago, you guys, and I'm surprised that it still even cures good. But now I'm just rubbing off that sticky tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol. I'm getting the top and the underneaths of my nails because once you go in and file, if it still has that sticky tacky layer even on the side walls, it will clog up your e-file or your hand file, whichever you're using. And then I'm just wiping that off, making sure my hands aren't sticky, nothing sticky. I wanted to make sure all of the product was off of my skin altogether. Sometimes when you use rubbing alcohol, the sticky residue gets around your skin from your, like on your cuticle area. So I just tried to make sure that was completely gone. And now I'm just going in with a 80 by 80 grit. You guys do not have to use 80 by 80. You can use 120, 180, 100. They all work well. I just used to always get 80 by 80 grits. Once again, I am trying to use all of my products now. So before I purchase new ones, but I kind of prefer to use either 120 or 180 now. 180 is like good for me to smooth my surface, but like 120 is what I use to shape up my nails now most of the time. So yeah, um, I'm just making sure that well, not the emery board is completely like straight on both sides of my nail, but at an angle because these are duck nails. And I went ahead and finished the rest off camera. It wasn't much filing that I needed to do, so I just kind of cut that part out. And now I'm just adding some cuticle oil to the nails to make them not so ashy before going in with um, my nail art, because I don't want it to look like that if I top coat it. And usually I would buff as well, but because my surface was really smooth already, I kind of just used my hands to rub it in. But usually using a buffer could be nice. Also, if you have like a lot of file marks, using the buffer and the cuticle oil together definitely smooths the nails out and get them to look like this. So yeah, now we're getting into the nail art. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Liking the video is free. It pushes the video out there. Please just like the video. Thank you. I'm going in. I don't even know what color this is, you guys. All of the colors that I use are from the Nail Reserve mostly. So I will link it down below. And I also have a code for you guys to get money off of your polishes. I did do 2 coats of, this is actually 1 coat, but I did end up going in with another coat because I like my colors really pigmented. And now I'm just doing a pink French tip on my pinky nail. This pink is really, really cute. That neon pink is really nice. And I really wanted to do like a cunt set. If you guys if you guys know, if you guys are between the age of like, I don't even know. Cunt is so old, but this set is giving cunt vibes, okay? And that pink with like a white French and some junk, like some junk charms. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Anywho, I do want to do a set like that, and I'm probably gonna make them like cheetah print or something. I also wanted to do a Lisa Frank set, and I think that that pink will look really nice with that set as well. But we gonna figure it out because I have so many sets that I'm trying to drop. Just be patient with me. There's also people sending me stuff, so I have to do those videos as well. So I'm trying to get them out. I still have not done my dust collector from Melody Susie yet. And well, I did record it, but I did not edit it yet because there's other things that I got before receiving that needs to be uploaded. So yeah. Um, I'm just making this a white French tip, and that's why when I did this nail, I was like, oh my gosh, this as a set, like, look, imagine that color, those 2 colors on my toes. What? Oh my gosh. I have to do it next. And I think I'm gonna do that next, even though it's not, I feel like that color is like mostly for like summertime, the neon colors. But baby, I do not care. My feet is my feet, and honestly, I am starting a foot series. So I'm just doing a lot of nail art on my feet because I have been a plain Jane type of girl, and I really noticed that when I step out of my comfort zone and do different colors on my feet and stuff, I like them more. So yeah, and somebody had commented on my toes being hairy, my knuckles. I think that's pretty normal and very weird for somebody to even talk about. But anywho, I made my pinky nail into a croc print. This nail right here, I am just going to try to do like a blooming aura of white. It did not work. Now I have a airbrush. So yeah, if I wanted to do something like this again, it's not gonna look like this, but I tried this for the first time. I did not like it. It did spread a good amount, but not enough for my liking. So yeah, if you guys want to do any aura, you can also use like a either a you can use blush. I mean, yeah, you could use blush, but eyeshadow period and a what is that? A beauty blender or even like a eyeshadow brush or you can use the beauty blender and the nail polish and get it like that. You just have to keep patting in a circle and yeah, I will do tutorials on that as well if you guys need help with nail art because I'm trying to get more into nail art. So I'm just going to record my progress, honestly. And I wanted to make this like a little Y2K type of design. I don't know how it came out, you guys. Let me know down below in the comments. But I just kind of did what flowed in my head. And once again, these colors are all from the Nail Reserve. So yeah, I don't know the names off the top of my head, but I will go into my office to make sure I get the colors for you guys in the description. And this nail right here, I'm just making a zebra print. And this is how it looks so far. Really cute. And I just went ahead because I felt like my thumb was just so plain. I used that same pink and went in with some polka dots and let that spread a little bit. I did also top coat it before doing that so they could spread a little bit. And this is how it's looking for right now. And now we're just going in with some rhinestones, some nail art, and some junk stuff. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. I have been trying to talk the whole video. You guys like when I talk. It is about to be spooky season, so basically what we're gonna do is I want to start telling Reddit stories on here. I be reading them at night, and I just think they're so crazy. So I want to start doing Reddit stories while I do my videos. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that down below as well. This is what I came up with so far on my nails. For this nail, I have this little planet right here. So cute. I've had those charms for like 2 years. Finally used one of them. That's ridiculous. And we're just making this one a little cute Hello Kitty nail. I guess this was kind of giving a Hello Kitty vibes, so that's why I put Hello Kitty on my nail. Duh. Okay, so we're just adding in the finishing touches. The nails are done, and we're taking this glove off. So much relief. Now I'm just cleaning up my area before going in with some cuticle oil. I don't know, you guys. Duck nails just look so good on my hands. I really hate every other shape nail. So if you're not requesting a set, I'm most likely going to do duck nails. I mean, I am the duck nail queen. Come on now. So, yeah, you guys should request sets if you guys don't want to see duck nails. It's either duck nails or feet videos. That's my specialties right now, duck nails and feet videos. So if you want to see something different, please request it. Thank you. Went ahead and rubbed that cuticle oil in, and this is how they came out. I love them. These did, however, come off right after the video. just let me know how you guys feel about this set down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. And like this video if you guys have not. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, babes.